Andrew from the Chord Academy here. This is the first video in a series of videos that is going to show you how to break out of the rut of boring guitar playing and getting stuck in position playing. So what you're going to do for this one is we're going to tackle one of the chords that is the biggest bane of guitar players when you first start off. And before I forget, make sure you hit like and subscribe if you want to see more of these videos, and please let me know in the comments if you like the idea of this series, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of them. Okay, so we're not going to do a lot on theory on this one. We're just going to show you where to play it. There's 3 notes in this chord, therefore there are 3 strings that you need to play these on. Any more than 3 strings, you're doubling one of the notes in the chord. The 3 notes in the chord are F, A, and C. So let's go check out the first top 3 strings. Top 3 strings meaning the thinnest strings here. So the first one that you're going to play is right here, string 1, 2, and 3 on the first fret, and second fret. So you're going to get used to playing some bars if you're not already. Bar the first fret at the first and second string at the first fret, and then you've got the second fret with the second finger. Okay. Now I want you to use as a guide this right here, this note, and go up an octave to the first string. That's up 3 frets, and skip a string. And this is where the second version of the F chord is going to be played on frets 5, 6, and 5, fingers 2, 3, and 1. Okay. Once again, you're going to go up 3 frets and down 2 strings, and then play the third version of this chord, which is on fret 8, 10, and 10. Okay, so that's fingers 1, 4, and 3. Okay, now we're going to move to the next set of strings, which is on the second, third, and fourth. And keep in mind, when you play these chords, it's fun to do anytime like you see an F chord, you play a different variation of it, because each one is slightly different than the previous one. So let's go back, second group of strings. You've got right here, you've got frets 1, 2, and 3 with fingers 1, 2, and 3. Doesn't matter if you're strumming or whatever you want to do. Okay, then again, the octave of that lowest note to here. So up 3 frets, skip a string. This is going to be your guide for the next one, which is right here. So you've got frets 6, 5, and 7 with fingers 2, 1, and 3. Okay, and again, we're going to use this one as a guide, going up to the 10th fret there. This one is a bar. Get used to playing bars with this one. You can just go, it's on fret 10, 10, and 10 with fingers. You can try to cram your fingers there if you want to, but yeah, especially if you're going to embellish the chord. Okay, but that's the easiest way to do it there. Let's go on to strings 3, 4, and 5. Okay, 3, 4, and 5 are going to be down here. Once again, we're going to go frets 2 with the first finger, 3 and 3 with the third finger and the second finger. So frets 2, 3rd fret, 4th, or 3rd fret there as well. Okay, then go from here to the octave, which is here. Now there's a little different octave, right, because we don't have the B string messing us up anymore. So it's up 2 and then down 2. So skip a fret, skip a string. Okay, and this is going to be where one of the notes are for the next voicing, which is going to be on frets 5, 7, and 8 with fingers 1, 2, or excuse me, 1, 3, and 4. Then again, bottom one is the octave, and this is where our next version of this chord is going to be played. Now this one you can play a couple different ways. I'm going to bar this right here. So this is fret 10, 10, which I bar, and I got to get used to doing this, right? Where you're kind of, someone referred to it as breaking the knuckle, but I hated doing that. I don't like the idea of breaking any of my fingers. but you get it to go sort of this backward thing for the bar. And then you've got 12th fret right here. So first finger, third finger. And then finally, we're going to have the same shape down here on the bottom 3 strings. You're going to have fret 3, 3, and 5. Okay. And that's, of course, finger 1, 1, and then 3. Okay, now we're going to go octave. And this one is going to be frets 7, 8, and 8 with fingers 1, 3, and 4. And again, octave to here, up 2, skip a string, you know, up 2, down 2, or skip a fret, skip a string. And this will be one of the notes that's in the next one. And you'll see right here at the 13th fret, 12th fret, and 10th fret. Fingers 1, 3, and 4. Sorry, the intonation is getting off a little bit up there. Now, if you want some chord charts that show you all of these versions, make sure that you click the link in the description. I've got some free resources for you, and some I'm going to be putting some unreleased videos and stuff that are not available anywhere else on this channel. So make sure you click the free resources link, and it'll take you to the Chord Academy, and you can download those for free. Other than that, again, if you want to see more of this stuff, please hit like and subscribe. Visit us on Facebook, and there are some other things you can do as far as if you need some more further instruction, stuff like that. I do offer some private lessons and whatnot. Just check out the links and on the Chord Academy. So until the next time, thank you very much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.